Okay, I'm going to show you how to solve Tuesday's morning work. So first we want to read the problem. It says Jenny placed an equal number of marbles in the bags shown below. Which division sentence shows what Jenny did? So this is a word problem, so we want to be sure to write our rules, R-U-L-E-S. So we read it. Now let's underline. So we know that she has an equal number of marbles in the bags. And we want to find the division sentence. So now we're going to make our strip diagram and label it. So the total is going to be the number of marbles that we have in total. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So we have a total of 42 marbles. And now we need to count and see how many groups there are. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. And now we need to count and see how many are in each group. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in each group. So we want to see which division sentence represents that. So we're on E. Explain how to solve. So when we divide, we want to make sure that our the total, so we can also think about get, G-E-T. So our total is 42. We have 7 groups with 6 in each group. So with division, we take our total and we split it into the groups. So we want to start with our total. So which answer choices start with the total? B and C. So it cannot be A, it cannot be D. So are we taking our total of 42 and putting it into 6 groups? Or are we taking our total of 42 and putting it into 7 groups with 6 in each? Well, we have a total of 42 that we're putting into 7 groups with 6 marbles in each. So the correct answer would be C. All right, let's see how you do on the second one.